So in this video, we want to deploy a simple static website on Azure container. So let's get started. First thing first, let's create storage accounts. Azure storage account. So we can come here to search storage account, then click on create storage account. Now you have to create resource group. So let's just click on create new and give it a name. I will just say static. Okay, so static. Then storage account name, I will name it static as well. Static. You can give it any name that you want. Okay, static king. Now the storage account name must be something special and no capital letters. All right, so primary service, let's just go with Azure Blob. Then next, you can actually just create the accounts from here. However, if you just create it from here, there is something that might give you issues, and this is it: allowing enabling anonymous access on individual containers. We're supposed to put this on. Put this on. Make sure this is on. But let's say for some reasons it was off. You've forgotten. So let's continue with the creation. I will show you how you can do that. So review and create. Click on create to create our storage for us. Alright, so our storage is ready. Click on go to resource, then come to containers. Then want to create a container. Let's just give it, I'll name it king. You can give it any name of your choice. Now you can use anonymous access label. See, I can't even select it. So click on create. Alright, so let me click on this. Then I want to upload my static website, preferably HTML, because it needs to be lightweight. So let me open this, then upload. See, it's lightweight, it's very fast. So now even if I come to change access level, I cannot change it. All right, so this has been uploaded. If I click on this, see, we have URL that we can work with. Let me copy this URL copy. Let me paste it. Now see, public access not permitted. Can you see that? All right, so let's go back. Let's go back to our container. Here's our container. Now scroll down, go to configuration. Now, this allow blob anonymous access, enable it, then click on save. Make sure you refresh, then go back to your container, then click on this. Now change access level to anonymous free, blah blah blah, then click on OK. Now you see it has changed from private to container. So if I click on this again, click on this and copy the link, that same link which is here. If I refresh this, our website is here. Now see this beautiful website. All right, so this is how to deploy a static website on Azure Storage. You're welcome.